Hi, my name is Rachel, and in today's video, we're talking about how to make money on Metaverse. We're talking big bucks here. So without any further delay, let's get started. Metaverse has enormous monetization potential for everyone involved in its development and use. According to industry estimates, the virtual reality, VR, gaming world could reach $400 billion in revenue by 2025. And the cumulative value of Metaverse could reach $1 trillion. This motivates users to seize the opportunity and find ways to make money in Metaverse. A November 2021 Statista survey found that some of the most popular monetization channels include earning money from games, virtual ownership, data monetization, and investing at 60%, 39%, 37%, and 36%, respectively. Income-generating opportunities range from very simple low barriers to entry to complex economic activities such as real estate investment. To make money in Metaverse, users can: Idea number 1. Participate in play-to-earn games. Games such as VR poker and esports betting allow users to earn money while playing online games. Entire companies are dedicated to this category, such as Admix, a startup that just raised $25 million to drive in-game monetization in Metaverse. Platforms like Playtoearn will have entire floors or sections dedicated to making money. Idea number 2. Design 3D accessories for users. Someone with some knowledge of 3D design can make accessories for VR games. Metaverse users want to dress up their avatars with accessories such as wearables, gadgets, hats, clothing, and even weapons. You can design and market these accessories using the design kits available on most Metaverse platforms. Idea 3. Create and monetize VR games. As with 3D accessories, people can design and publish end-to-end games in VR. This does not necessarily require advanced technical skills. People can monetize this resource by combining basic storytelling skills with VR design platforms like Horizon Worlds. For example, the VR version of Google's iconic dinosaur game is equally suitable for user adoption and monetization. Idea 4. Get a freelance gig in the Metaverse. The Metaverse will have its own economy with a unique set of service job skill requirements. For example, VR tourism destinations, such as museums or galleries, need guides to help visitors navigate the space efficiently. VR clubs may also need security, players can hire trophy hunters, and more. Idea 5. Conduct Metaverse events with paid tickets. This is already a very popular way to make money in Metaverse. Live concerts by real artists can draw large crowds, and promoters can charge users in the form of paid tickets. Warner Music has partnered with Metaverse platform The Sandbox to create a virtual concert hall. Snoop Dogg's recent acquisition of Death Row Records is poised to become an NFT record label. While the artist has acquired a large property on the Metaverse to provide an additional revenue stream. Idea 6. Get sponsors for free events. Even if you can't attract users to paid events, Metaverse has sponsorship opportunities that can be unlocked. For example, a small business might organize a free-to-attend trade show, and the event sponsor pays the organization to attract new audiences. Idea 7. Buy and sell land parcels. Buying virtual real estate is another popular way to make money in Metaverse, and PricewaterhouseCoopers, JP Morgan, and a few others have already taken steps in this direction. Any user can buy a piece of land for a fixed price and sell it at a higher price for a profit. Investors with a high-risk appetite can also look for such opportunities on the emerging Metaverse platform. Idea 8. Rent out Metaverse real estate to developers. Rather than sell VR land for a profit, users can rent parcels out to developers to create buildings, gaming arenas, concert halls, offices, and other venues. This is ideal for those who want a steady stream of revenue, but keep in mind that in-demand properties at the best Metaverse locations will be expensive. Idea 9. Develop Metaverse real estate yourself. Another alternative is to purchase land and develop it yourself with VR design and development skills. Unlike gaming, real estate and building design requires more work and may be expensive depending on the resources used. Different Metaverse platforms will also have their own limitations, but profitability is equally high. Idea 10. Trade 3D NFT. Finally, one can always trade 3D non-fungible tokens, NFT, the VR counterpart of NFT trading in the traditional digital world. The metaverse could house a variety of 3D artwork as NFT for purchase as an investment class. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video guys, this is Rachel signing out.